Network Entertainment.
Ganito kasi yan, Jacob.
Ano, Lance?
Looks or personality?
Um, Pwede both.
Bakit both?
Suga pa ako. Hindi, pero kasi, let's be honest, when you first see someone, you don't say na, oh, I wanna date you because of your personality. Let's be honest, in this realistic world, ang una mo talagang titingnan is visual. And then,
Mm-mm.
that's when you get to know if you want to date this person even more, if you want to talk to them even more, if gusto mo basta mas makausap. Kasi, let's be honest, first impressions really does make an impact.
Pero kasi, Jacob, may ibang tao na na may itsura lang pero walang substance.
Yun na nga. Pero, I'd say na at the first start talaga, that's where, your advantage as visuals come in. And then later on, you stay because not just of the visual, but because of the personality. So, I'd say it's a combination of both. Kasi pag personality lang meron ka, it also will make it hard. Kasi, yung first impact, I don't think baka it's G na G agad sa'yo.
And kailangan nating tandaan, yung looks, it's subjective also. You can be a target market of this person, but not all persons. So,
Totoo.
I agree naman with what you said. Kaya naman, hello to everyone all over the world. Magkakasama pa rin tayo sa isang gabing puno ng kwentuhan, tawanan, at bardagulan kasamang leading voices of the Filipino youth. Ito pa rin ang Ganito Kasi Yan.
Powered by the Pod Network.
At kasama nyo pa rin ang striving scholar ng Rizal na nag-agree sa sinabi ni Jacob. Ako lang to, si Lance Arevada.
At ako pa rin ang new podcaster by day, kaming atilista by night na, sige, tingnan natin. Feeling ko naman ma-offer ko both.
Huy! Si Jacob killing. And ayun. So,
ang tapang ko sa season na to,
ang dami nating pinag-usapan kasama yung mga campers.
Totoo.
Ano yung parang pulot mo, Jacob? Tingin mo ba, sasabak ka sa ganong klase ng reality show?
Ha? Don't ask me questions I don't have answers to.
Or gusto mo ba yung parang dating reality show? Or PBB reality show?
Sa akin talaga, pinaka-important, gusto ko yung, ma-showcase yung personality ko na hindi focus sa in the prospect of dating someone. So, I'm G, like a very PBB-esque. Na your main purpose is not to land it.
Well, gets naman. Pero, parang, grabe pala talaga yung parang emotional toll pag nasa reality show ka. Parang doon ko na-realize yun sa mga guests natin.
Oo, mabigat talaga ang reality show.
Tapos parang yung kailangan blindfold and all. Parang, I know that it's not something for me. Please, let me live a peaceful life.
Ayaw mo ng blindfold.
Diyos ko naman, iba blindfold ka. Gano'ng katagal na oras? Nakakaloka.
3 hours, iba blindfold ka na.
So, mahirap yun. At balita ko, Jacob, mahirap din yung pinagdadaanan ng ating letter sender sa una nating tugon po ngayong season.
Tama.
Dahil parang katulad nga ng question natin kanina, meron rin siyang dilemma na hinaharap.
Oo.
Ready ka na bang malaman yon?
Pero bago yun, sabihin natin kung saan nila
Asan
mahahanap
ba?
yung ating forms. Yung form natin ay nasa ating Instagram bio. It's at GKYPod. And it's also on our Twitter or X bio.
Oo, so it's at
And,
tinyurl.com/gky tugon mo.
Alright, and it's also in the episode description box po. Don't forget.
So yan, ready
So
ka na ba?
nagbukas na po siya ulit. So ready na po ako.
Yan. So, Dear Jacob and Lance, sino ang pipiliin ko? Yung bet ko na may sabit o yung hindi ko bet pero perfect? Parang bakit may sabit? Bakit parang iba yung nararamdaman ko dito sa letter na to?
Baka sabit kasi there's hindrances to the potential.
Tingnan natin yung sabit niya. So, yung bet ko, cute naman. Matalino, achiever, maraming narating sa buhay, active sa org. Tingin mo ba, yun yung mga ideal characteristics?
Uy, it's, nakwento ko to before sa isang episode. Target mark. Target market ko mga student leader.
Oh.
Target
Target market ka or target or parang kuhang-kuha ka ng mga ganong archetypes?
Both.
Oh.
Kasi when I parang added up everyone I talked to, dated, and everything, puro siya, parang that's something in common among all of them.
Student leader na achiever, ganon.
Oo.
Oh.
Na-cute din
Pero yun lang.
Ano?
May jowa. Nilalandi ako. Pero alam mo yung if he was single, I would go for it.
Oh my God.
We hit it off really, pero yun lang. May malaking balakid. So, ito yung balakid, Jacob.
So,
Jowa.
the balakid is the other person. This the jowa.
Sigurado ka ba dito? A letter sender.
Oh my God.
Ito, isa naman. Yung
Ay,
isa ko,
wow! Dalawa!
Oo, dalawa.
May prospect.
So, itong pangalawang person niya ay nasa working class. Okay naman.
Wait, is this a student ba?
I think so.
So, at least si Beth niya talaga
Si number 1
is almost kapantay niya.
Oo.
Eto, working.
So, siguro, let's say 2 to 3 years na age gap or even 1.
Mali mo, baka 10, Charis.
We never know. Mas gwapo yung isa, though.
Oh.
Mas may sense lang to and pareha sila namang may narating sa buhay. We had dates with the second person and it was okay. Pero, masasabi ko na parang the connection was better kay Achiever. Okay siya, may potential, pero yun lang, di ko gaano kabit. Kabit? Alam mo yung, di mo mafe-feel yung initial spark, but there's a connection naman. So, Lance, Jacob, nalilito kasi ako Sinong pipiliin ko? Nagmamahal, kanto.
Bakit ka?
Baka
Ba't
doon
kaya
sila
kanto?
baka doon sila nag-date. Or di ba may
Ah.
kanto sa may maraming kanto freestyle.
Mm-mm.
So, Jacob, tugon po.
May reason kung bakit sa'yo lamang na lamang yung isa. And baka you're just seeking someone for complacency. Don't put the other person into that state just because you needed someone to comfort you on that moment. Lance, tugon po.
Huwag kang maging kabit. It's as simple as that. And don't be, huwag kang maging basahan. Ano yung English nun? Rug.
Rug.
Ano yung term nun?
Don't be...
A rug for people to step on ba?
Yeah.
Parang ganun. Huwag kang maging kabit. Huwag kang umasa sa tira-tira.
Oh.
Yun, kanto. So, yun.
Ayan.
Parang, may dilemma siya.
Yeah, there's...
But is it a right dilemma? Knowing na the person in one of your choices is already in a relationship. And if you're choosing between the two persons, hindi ba parang yung isa mong choice is nagiging kabit ka, knowing also na nagde-date kayo nung person na may nasa relationship?
Sabagay. Pero kasi, the way I look at it then, kung paano ko siya nakikita, is para ka lang pumili nung other guy. Guy ba to?
I think.
Oo. Parang nilagay mo lang siya dyan. Parang the way you describe it is, lahat mas prefer mo yung characteristics ng isa. Parang ina-accommodate mo lang siya just to fill in what the other person can't give. Kasi parang parang ina-accommodate niya lang, parang tipong, mas namang naman siya, mas bet ko talaga to. Pero the question is, bakit nandyan yung isa sa buhay mo? Is there something that person A can't give you? That's why you're resorting to complacency not complacency.
Parang bare minimum?
Parang you're just using person B para to fill in the gaps ni person A.
Oo. Parang ang nangyayari kasi dito parang yung sa unang choice, well, ideal naman siya. I'd say na parang that guy is the perfect person for a letter sender. Pero kasi,
diba?
ang,
Sayang lang though.
ang ano nga doon, yun nga, na sa tingin mo ba, tama ba na i-consider niya pa rin yun, knowing na nasa relationship nga yung person? Or is it na parang, if you know that the person you like is already in a relationship, girl, that's the time to back off?
Oo, totoo naman. Pero, aren't we usually parang putting all the blame on the other person?
Paano putting all the blame?
On the potential third party? Kasi parang, I remember that discussion kasi ang topic nung thesis namin.
Oh.
Just a reminder, we have senior diaries
Oh,
po.
yeah.
Soon. Ang topic namin is like kabitan.
Oh.
So,
Bakit anong tungkol saan sa kabitan?
Infidelity themed television
Oh,
shows,
okay.
teleseries.
Go.
So parang napansin ko lang na whenever there's a kabitan or there's third party, the blame is always on the third person. But at the end of the day, you realize that, wait, who's in the relationship? It's the guy. So if student leader is entertaining you, it's heavy on student leader.
Hindi ba siya both?
I think the blame is heavier on who's in a relationship. Although, there's still blame on you kasi you entertained, but I feel like the other person is the one with a commitment.
Well, nandun din naman yung point na yon na syempre yung si person A, so first guy na lang, first and second guy. Si first guy, nasa committed relationship na siya. So, if that guy is already in a relationship, may commitment na, may parang may sworn na na parang dapat itong partner lang, exclusive lang if ever man. Gets dun na parang sense na yon. Pero
Or,
parang,
what if hindi pala exclusive?
well, there are also relationships like that.
Yeah.
Pero parang, din kasi, like, would you, parang the question, unahin lang natin si first guy, mamaya na yung second guy for Kanto. Ang question kasi dyan, Kanto, is, ano pa ba? Parang, dadamay ka pa ba? Or parang, makikigulo ka pa ba? Is it all worth it? Kung siya? Kasi parang,
Wait, but there are people worth being a problem. Parang, there's people na, parang worth it to go through all that pain Parang, I'd have to say na parang in terms of relationships, there are people na at the end of the day, even if how hurt I was, it was all worth it naman. Like, I'd go through the same pain for that same person.
Pakikat lang po saglit.
Okay.
Ayan. So, gets naman, yung parang ganun na person. Pero, wala lang, as I see it, in the outsider perspective, I think it's not worth it considering. Kasi yes, ideal siya. Pero alam mo nga, may sabit. So, that makes this person not ideal anymore. Knowing, or baka bulag ka lang, in a sense na, yes, ideal siya, perfect siya, kuwang-kuwa ka niya. Pero hindi mo nakikita doon na ang pinakang flaw niya, may flaw siya, at ang pinakang malaking flaw ay may jowa siya. So you know that he has the tendencies to cheat.
And siguro, yun din yung naisip ko bigla. If he can do that to the current partner, what can assure you na if maging kayo man or if the person chooses you, he won't do that to you.
Yun. Exactly. Diba? So, yun ang pros and cons mo pagdating kay person A. Kay person B, so, parang, sige, there's that gap. May gap tayo. What ideal, halos same. Pero syempre, mas, siguro, blind siya or what. Pero, mas cute yung first guy kaysa kay second guy. Pero, at least,
there's that impact pa rin naman siguro.
May impact pa rin, ganon. So, what can you say naman na, parang, kino-consider siya nung letter sender natin. Pero, not in a sense na parang give siya. Parang second option pa rin siya kahit kino-consider.
I'm just worried for the letter sender.
Bakit?
Na baka ginagamit niya lang na backup resort or parang to fill in
rebound.
The gaps. Na baka there's something na hindi nabibigay ni person A kaya naghahanap siya ng other sources of that.
Gets. And parang yun din yung parang questionable for me dito sa letter sender natin. Kasi siguro, I think our letter sender naman, parang he is open to dating. He is open to knowing. Kasi ayun, nakalagay sa pronouns niya. So, parang, ang ano naman dyan is, siguro, even if you have the choices, kung alam mo na parang you're not fully giving into it, parang, I don't think it's worth it din eh. Na parang i-consider niya yung person B. Kasi, parang may point of comparison pa rin. Mas cute si ganito, mas kuwang-kuwa pa din. Pero alam niya, mas dun siya walang sabit. Kumbaga.
Hi, I'm Red Oliero.
Hi, I'm Andrew Bernardo.
And we are the Bago Matulog with Red Oliero podcast
members.
Yes, we are promoting our podcast and sana makinig kayo sa podcast namin. Yun lang. Thank you. Yay. Please, we need money.
Parang you're entertaining the other person para lang may option ka na walang sabit.
'Di ba?
Pero at the end of the day, parang just the fact that you are still comparing the two, na person B can't stand on his own without being like, oh, person B is like this, like that, like that. It's kasi parang the way the letter sender phrases it, it's like person B is like this, but actually person A is also like this, but even better. Person B,
Parang gina-justify niya eh.
Hindi, tsaka parang tinatry niya lang parang you're trying to prove lang na yes, okay din naman tong si person B. But there's better options out there. And ang better option ay nandito. At siya pa yung taken. So parang
Parang as I see it, yung dilemma ng letter sender natin, si person A, yung may jowa, siya yung parang pinapairal lang kanyang desire. Yung parang gustong I long for this person. Gusto ko to. Parang nakalimutan ko yung ego, super
ego, id.
Ano yung parang nagbabalance? Alam ko yung ego yung desire eh. Id yung parang logical. Yun. So parang sa ego, yung parang ego yung pinapagana ng letter sender natin sa person A. Parang yung wants nga. And then id, yung parang more logical option. Kaya niya kino-consider si person B. So, parang binabalanse niya in a sense na, parang yung konsensya niya gumagana kasi sa person. Ay, ito walang sabit. So, I might consider this person. Even if I know na parang may ego is telling me to go for person A, I would also like to consider person B kasi wala akong sabit dyan. I'm safe and all. And, yung iniisip niya yung dilemma, that's the balancing act. I think, wala tayong winner tonight for me.
So, ayaw mong mag-settle siya kay person B?
I think, no.
Talaga, bakit?
Kasi, I think you can find better people na parang you know that you are really, really sure about. Na hindi, na parang sasabihin mong ideal pero may jowa na hindi ganon. Or sasabihin mo na, okay naman, kebs lang, pero mas gusto ko isa. I think that means that you have yet to find the person that you are really looking for in a relationship. Kasi, sa akin, it's a matter of, hindi naman dapat din natin pinipilit or pinapersa for us to make decisions in a relationships. Kasi that's the always pitfall. Kailangan mag-jowa. Hindi man kailangan, but parang yung parang tendency to want that person. But even if you want to have that person in your life, you have to make sure that it's the right choice. And when I say right, it assures you, it's calm, it's peaceful, na kapag etong tao yung kasama mo, wala ka nang iisipin pang ibang considerations.
Wow.
Thoughts.
Pero I agree kasi parang you deserve someone na you know you are sure about. Hindi lang yung tipong sure sa'yo, but sure ka. Kasi hindi din pwede na, okay, the person is sure about you, but you are not sure about that person.
Real. Tira mo nangyari sa Sparks Cup.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Pero yun, I feel like it's a matter of, pero, feeling ko, let go of person B, person A, let him be, let him do his own thing, because it's not worth it anymore. Lalo na, he's a cheater, if you enable a cheater, that will also happen to you if ikaw naman yung in the place of the current relationship. And then, it's a cycle. He will continuously cheat on you. The same way that he
There's
did.
no assurance na
Yeah.
gagawin, na hindi niya ulit yung gagawin.
Oo.
And I don't think that it's worth your time. I think, si person B naman, okay naman eh. Parang, yung description naman ng letter sender natin. I mean, gets siya.
Pero hindi ka naniniwala na pwede siyang slow burn.
Pwede. Pero wag ipilit.
Oo, just siguro it's okay to be open to the idea of baka pwede siya maging slow burn, but don't force it na, okay, dahil wala na si person A, sige, I'll make this happen.
Pero hanggat si person A, nasa isip pa rin ng letter sender natin. I don't think it will work out with person B.
Oo, kasi ang ano mo is, okay, I'm on a date with person B, but I'm still comparing how was my experience with person
Real.
A on par with person B. Na parang kahit feeling ko, looking at how you describe the both of them, kahit anong gawin ni person B, parang feeling ko, it will always be person A is superior to you.
Hanggat naiisip mo pa rin si person A. Yun na talaga.
Yeah, kasi kuhang-kuha ka ni person A eh.
Pero, wag mo din pa-assign sa person B. Kasi kung alam mo na hindi full yung intention mo, kung naiisip mo pa rin nga si person A, so that's a sign. And parang that comes off with the realization na you're not really into person B. Kasi you have still doubts or considerations and comparisons and all. Wag mo na rin sayangan yung oras mo. Kanto. Kasi, sa unang person, nagsasayang ka ng oras mo knowing that you are being a rug or a doormat pala yata yung
Doormat.
Ganun din naman yung basahan rin. Pero you're being a doormat to person A. Kasi iniintay mo lang yung crumbs ng kilig mo. Iniintay mo lang na bigyan kanya ng atensyon kahit alam mo na nasa relationship siya. Pagdating kay person B, I don't think it's worth your time. I don't think it's worth your time anymore. Knowing naman na you're not really sure and you're also thinking of person A, so why bother spending time making efforts with person B kung may iba ka pa ring taong nasa isip mo?
Tama.
So, at the end, wala tayong winner tonight.
Yeah, let go of the two of them. Just find someone else. I feel
Oh.
like there's a lot of potential with other people naman.
Mm.
There's still a lot of cute student leaders out there na cute na student leader na matalino, na achiever, na maraming narating sa buhay. And ano pa yung description niya?
Matalino. Cute.
It fits
Kuwang-kuwa siya.
5. Those 5, if those are your it's very general. Marami kang mahahanap na ganyan.
Oo. And, yun, again, sasabihin ko ulit na in finding that person, or, di ba kasi parang, ayoko kasi lagi sabing finding. Kasi parang,
It comes to you.
yeah.
Ang
Wait
anto
lang,
ko dun
pakat natin.
Ayun, it comes to you.
Oo. Na parang, hindi siya yung parang mahanap mo agad-agad. Na parang isa siyang bagay na, ito na siya, nakita ko na siya. Pero lalapit yan sa'yo eh. And you know when it comes to it. I felt it.
Totoo.
Na parang ganon. So, don't force yourself into making these difficult choices. Kasi you don't need to make a choice. Kasi there are no good options at all.
Pero siguro for your enjoyment, kung gusto mo lang magliwal-liwa muna, kung hindi mo bet naman mag-relationship, go ka na kay person B.
Wag ka person A. Wag ka maging kabit. Golden rule. Wag maging kabit.
Tama.
Kasi
Kasi nagsusulat ako ng thesis tungkol sa kabit. Huwag po maging kabit. Pero, sabi nga ng thesis advisor ko, kasi pinag-uusapan namin yung mga naging best thesis sa Ateneo. Tapos sabi niya, nanalo na daw na best thesis ang kabitan.
So, may magandang benefit ng mga kabit.
So, binulong ko sa groupmate ko. So, nananalo pala ang mga kabit. Tapos sabi nung prof namin, oo, may nanalo ng kabit.
Shoot
So, pwedeng manalo ang mga kabit. Yun lang yung po ang mensahe ko ngayon. Hindi, not enabling you.
Not in a relationship. Although may nanalong kabit.
Saan? Ay, si Queen.
Si Queen.
Oo.
Queen Yas. Joke lang.
Hi!
Si Queen Camilla.
Oo,
Oh,
diba? Nag-pay off.
Kahit na. I mean, is it right? Is it wrong? I don't know. Pero,
Nag-pay off pero hindi lang ikaw yung love ng taong bayan. Isipin mo na lang yun.
oo. So, ayun. You have better options. Ito final advice ko. You have better options, better choices. It's not worth your time. Di mo deserve maging kabit. Mas deserve mo yung taong sigurado ka. At sigurado rin siya sa'yo nang walang balakid, walang sabit, may kabit man, may jowa man, wala man jowa, bet mo man o hindi. That person will come to you at the right place at the right time. Final advice.
Siguro yung advice ko is, be sure with that person and make sure that the person is sure about you. Kasi it goes both ways. It's a two-way street. It's not something na it's just you that need to be sure. It's not that the person just needs to be sure. It's that the both of you are sure about one another. And I feel like that's one of the more important components of a relationship.
Yes. Kaya naman, kung nagustuhan itong episode na to, what if i-follow nyo kami, share nyo to sa mga social media platforms, share nyo rin, tag nyo kami. It's at GKY Pod on all social media platforms. And mention nyo na rin kami, LNCRVDA on Instagram. Ikaw naman, Jacob?
Madali lang naman po akong hanapin po sa mga prospect po. THECHARLESJACOP. The Charles Jacob on all social media platforms.
At yon, sa mga brands yan, madali nyo rin kami hanapin. It's at gaytokasianpod@gmail.com. Follow nyo kami on Spotify, stream nyo kami on YouTube, rate nyo kami 5 stars, like nyo tong video, subscribe, and share. And yon, marami kaming pasabog every Saturday. Abangan nyo din mga
At
susunod
7
nating
p.m.
guest. Susunod nating guest. And pwede nyo rin i-stream yung iba pa naming relationship advice sa mga tugon po and all. And huwag nating kakalimutan, at the end of the day, huwag nating kakalimutan, ang mahalaga, pinapanindigan ka. Pinapanindigan either ng sarili mo or ng person na makita mo or mahanap or ma-meet mo nang walang sabit, nang walang alinlangan, and siguradong sigurado kayo sa isa't isa. Self-love man to or in a relationship. Kami dagdag ka?
Wala na po.
At ito pa rin ang Ganito Kasi Yan.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.
The Pod Network Entertainment.